Dear God, I said the helicopter was done. Great. That's just great. I didn't put this on. The helicopter's not done. Hey guys, Max and Max's Models here. What you saw was real. I was actually doing a video that I'll just maybe tack on into this for kicks and giggles, but I discovered the cover of the rotor hub. So I got to go glue this on the helicopter and then it will be finished. You can imagine my shock. Well, you just saw my actual shock when I saw this. And I had set it aside for safekeeping and forgot to put it on. I guess that means I got to go take a whole new batch of photos. These are the problems in my life. So, set that right there. So let me start over again. I am going to be taking, after I get that mounted, a short break from working on the tar hay to work on the space pod for our Irwin Allen build, which is our current group build. And given how cold it is out here right now, I've got my little heater going, but I might build this out here. I might take it in the house and build it there. Now, when it comes to the helicopter diorama, the stuff I have to work with, we have, of course, the color palettes and the painting instructions for the crew, and we have 2 sprues of make up the crew. We have the mat. I don't think it's actually what they call Marston mat, but it's a prefabricated runway section. Not enough for the whole base, but I suppose I can put it under the wheels of the helicopter. And then we've got a couple of spare engines. It tells you in the instruction sheet. This piece doesn't get used. I might find some use for that. We've got some bits and bobs for the helicopter, including a couple of spare wheels. And on the unused stuff here, we have a few parts available. Oh, you know what? Windshield. I got to put the windshield wipers on too. I forgot those. So there's 3 pieces I've left off the helicopter. I thought it was done, and I'm not. Okay, so you know what? Let me just set that right here. Well, that was a rude surprise. Both the top disc cover and the windshield wipers, which I have in my pocket, taken aside to put on the helicopter. So, as I said, it's not done yet. Okay, I have the M49A2 tanker truck, which I plan to make a diorama with that. This is period correct. It's basically an updated modified version of the old M35, which is what they were using in Vietnam, according to my research. And I have a Jeep to go with it, the Mutt, the M151. Now this is an A2, so I want to make sure that the A2 was being used in Vietnam, and of course the olive drab. So that's what all the stuff I have to make the diorama with. And that's all I have to say about that. All right, well, now that I have recovered from my initial shock, let me go actually finish the helicopter. Take care of yourselves. See you later, as always. Model on. Oh, and enjoy the outtakes, because there's going to be a few. Model on.
Quiet on the set.
Then let's see, this one, does this have any parts left on it? No, it does not. Every single piece of this runner tree is used, so I can just put that here in the trash. Unbelievable. This is the, is this the F or the G? How many other pieces am I forgetting?
Camera speed.
Sound production, take one.
Dear God, I said the helicopter was done. Great. That's just great. I didn't put this on. The helicopter's not done. It just never ends. I still have to fix all my models from the Island of Misfit Models. Also known as ones that fell off the shelf because I'm a klutz. Well, hello, Glue Troopers. Maximax's models here. A late start today. Got down to 31 degrees in Florida. It's really freezing, so of course we're all moving like snails down here. These are the things